friends, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you coming back by and checking things out. If this is your first time to stop by, thank you so much for taking the time. And I typically do videos that show shopping hauls and maybe some household hacks, some organization hacks, things like that. But I recently, last week, started a vlog series, I guess you can call it a series, on the hip replacement surgery that I am going to have in now a week and a half. So if you haven't seen that first video, I will link it below. And today I'm going to give you a little update on my my pre-op visit. I did notice that things were different this time than when I went for my first surgery. So if this is your first time here, a little background, I did have a total hip replacement on my left hip in 2019, and I am going to have my right hip done this time. So when I went last time for my pre-op visit for my first hip replacement, they did the usual, this is what to expect, this medicine, don't take this medicine, take this medicine. And then of course the blood work and all that good stuff. So this time I did notice things were a little different. So the first thing was I went for the visit, at the doctor's office, and they gave me this nice little packet right here. I guess I shouldn't give you all that information. This packet and, when my surgery is and all that. And in the packet is the checklist. Stop taking these medicines 2 weeks before surgery. You can't take aspirin. You can't take NSAIDs, which is hard for me because I take ibuprofen almost literally every night because it helps me sleep. So that was another thing. No blood thinners, no diet pills, no fish oil. So, which I had just started taking it because I read it was good for inflammation. So now I don't take it anymore. So anyway, and then it just gives you, your basic information on, medicines not to take, and then some exercises that you can do while you're, post-op, that good stuff. Now, one thing different, the first thing that was different was they gave me, so before, of course, they tell you, sleep in clean pajamas on clean sheets, take your shower the night before, wash with an antibacterial soap. I think it's like Dial or something like that. And then the next morning, take a shower again using the antibacterial soap, such as Dial. Pretty sure it's Dial. If it's not, let me know in the comments below. I don't remember what it was. But anyway, so this time, I'm sorry, I'm backtracking. Last time, when I got in the hospital, after doing all that, got in the hospital, they came in and washed me down again, which, that's good. They don't want you to, get infection or anything like that. So this time, she gave me this, and I think it's Hibiclens, something like that. And I have to use half a bottle the night before. You get in the shower, I guess you wash, and then you use this and you wash from your neck down, not to get it in certain spots, if you know what I mean, and on your back. So I guess somebody has to help you because obviously I can't reach my back. And then you leave it for 2 minutes, and then you rinse it off, and then you do it again the next morning with the other half. So I don't know if they will do it again when I get in the hospital. I don't know, maybe because of, the COVID, they don't, I don't know. So anyway, this was different because last time they just told me to use like a soap that you can buy at the store, but they actually gave me this. Okay, so then they also gave me the pre-procedural instructions. Shower the night before, day of your procedure. Don't eat or drink anything after midnight. Shower, bring your ID, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so, and then they give you instructions for the HIPAA cleanse. All right. Now, the other thing that they are doing now that is different, which they didn't do before, and she did say that they're just starting this, but they gave me this box of little drinks. I guess they're like the, what do you call them? Like Boost drinks. And they are, it's called an Advanced Recovery Immunonutrition Drink. Kind of wish they would have given me chocolate instead of vanilla, because I mean, I prefer chocolate. But anyway, she said to drink one of these 3 times a day, 2 days before my surgery. How many are even in here? I don't even know. 15. So maybe 3 days before my surgery, drink one 3 times a day. And then in the hospital, they will give me the drinks and then save the other 6 for 2 days when I get home from surgery. And this is supposed, she said, you know, just to help recovery, to get the nutritions to help my recovery go faster, I guess. So this is something that was different, which is kind of cool. I thought it was kind of cool. So, but the one thing I did want to stress today is, and the reason I haven't done a pre-op video yet was because I wanted to hear back from my doctor. So when I went to the doctor, you know, she was going over all the things that I should not take as far as medicines. And I did specifically ask about supplements because I take B complex, vitamin D, obviously not the fish oil. They were very specific about the fish oil, but the other things like that. She said that's fine. You can take them until the day before the surgery. Then when I went to the lab area where they do all of the checklists and do my blood work and, you know, swab me for, to see if I'm a staph carrier, all that, they told me not to take any medicine except for Tylenol, including supplements, from then until the day of the surgery. So I knew that was 2 different things. So I called my doctor on Friday to see if I could speak to the nurse and ask them. And they called me back this morning and they did clarify that I could take the supplements until the day before my surgery. They specifically told me, listen to your doctor. So I can still take my supplements, my vitamins and my supplements, until the day before the surgery. So I don't know why those 2 differ. I don't know. But anyway, that's just a little update on the pre-op visit and how things are a little bit different than they were before my first surgery. So if you're looking to have this surgery or knee surgery, I'm sure it's the same. You know, I hope this helps you out a little bit, gives you a little bit of clarity on, you know, some of the differences that I've seen. And if you know of someone who is either thinking about having the surgery or they are going to have the surgery, please share this video with them. And again, if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I do plan on continuing to do a little, you know, series on my hip surgery for those of you that either haven't had it done, you're looking to have it done, you're nervous about it, just kind of what to expect. So subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my channel or like my video today. It really does help my channel. It helps with the algorithms and everything of YouTube. But anyway, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.